take out the screw here. Remember this wire like this. Now start pulling here. Use one of the track for extension. We'll put this in and tighten the screws here. So we've got one tighten in. Put this one back. Now, put the top on. We're going to pull the two sides all the way . Make sure this goes all the way to the end. Now this has to be tight. This has to be like tight, right? Let have no rooms. These two are both at the end. We put back the screw. Before we tighten it, just make sure these wires are tight. It has to be very tight here. Okay? Now, they're supposed to be freely. And they're supposed to go right at the middle to meet each other. Okay? Oh, one more thing. Of course, if you want to put another extension track, you can put one more in and put it right at the end over there. And this screw here, I'm going to tighten the screw here. Now, be careful, the wire inside here, these two wires inside here, it cannot be loose, but it cannot be too tight. It has to be just right. If too tight, it might break during more frictions. Alright, but if too loose, the motor may not be able to stop. So you have to adjust through here. Okay, that's tight enough. Now, let's put the motor in. Oops. The motor slap in 45 degrees anyway. This way, this way, this way, this way. So we're going to put 45 degrees in and turn. Tight. There's a lot here. When you want to take it out, press down and take out. To go in, any 45 degrees is okay. The other side or here. Let's say here. Right? So it's tight. Now, let's open it. To go to this way, it's closed. So open it. We use the remote control. That's the infrared eye here. So you probably have to point it. And we're done.